Today, I'll show you how to use the Zoho Creator as a complete beginner and get a working app live in just a couple of minutes. First, open your browser and go to zoho.com/creator. Click Start Your Free Trial, then sign in with Google, Microsoft, or your email. If you see plan options, just stay on the default trial and continue. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create. You'll usually see a few routes like Build with AI, Start from Scratch, or use a template. Fastest option is to pick the AI option and type what you want, like build a simple leave request app with employee names, leave status, start date, end date, reason, and approval status. Click Generate, quickly skim the preview, and then click Create App. Now you're inside the app builder. Keep it simple. Open the main form and check the fields. If you need to change anything, click a field to rename it or change the type. Next, open Workflows or Automations and add one basic rule. When a new request is submitted, set status to pending. Optional quick upgrade, add an email notification when status changes to approved or rejected. To share, hit share/users and invite teammates, or copy the app link if it's enabled for your plan. Then click Publish or Access App to test it in the live view. That's it. You got a working Zoho Creator app and you can keep improving it as you go. If this helped, like this video and subscribe to Howard's How-Tos for more simple tutorials just like this.